In this tutorial, you'll be learning how to concatenate. Concatenate simply means a function in Excel that enables you combine text strings together. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to combine first name and the last name together. So I'll be combining the test values in column A with column B. So to do that, simply click on the cell C2, which is in column C. Click on that place. Now hover your mouse to where you have the formulas tab by the ribbon. Click on the ribbon, and where you have the function library group, click on the test command button, and here you would see several commands. So search for the concatenate function. So here is the concatenate, is abbreviated. Click on that concatenate. Once you click on that concatenate command, you will find this dialog box, function arguments. So where you have text one box, what you need to do is to click on the text you want to combine, or the cell value. Here would be Victor. So once I click on that, it puts in the test value, which is A2. Now, because we want to combine first name and last name together, we need a space. So in the text box 2, I'm going to put a space there. Now I'll click on text box 3 and key in the B2. Just click on the B2. So once you click on the B2, you would see that your work is nice. How would you know that? Just look at this point where I circle. Oh, sorry, not quite right. I just need you to see this. Okay, so if we didn't do it or get it right, you won't see this Victor Ford correctly. It's going to show you a red text here saying invalid, all right, or false. But here shows us that we've done the right thing. So all you need to do is click the OK. Now using the concatenate function, you can see here I have combined the first name and last name together. So once you get this correctly, just double click, or you do the autofill, the tiny red button there, click, hold and pull down to autofill, or you just double click on that tiny little square that you can see. Let me just show you for those who, the tiny little square there. All right, so just double click it to autofill. So once you get that autofill down to the last name that we have there, now expand the column C, double click at that point, so we have the column C to be the full name. So what happens is we used the concatenate function to combine first name and last name. For those who have Excel application from 2013 above, you can do this. Use what we call the flash fill rather. So I'm going to put a space here. I'm going to add a column here and just put in the column name to be name. All right, so in this point I'm just going to type in the name Victor Ford. So when I go to the next cell and I type in Cathy, once I put in the K, you will see the flash fill with all the names of other people, Harry Coleman and all of that. So that's what flash fill does. So I like what I see. I'll just press the enter key, and then it copies all the names together for me. So there are other functions that you can use actually to combine tests together, like the ampersand, but I'm not going to be showing you that, the ampersand. But if you are a student, all right, your teacher or your question will rather require you to use the concatenate function, because the concatenate function allows you to, or it lets your teacher know that you know how to work or manipulate the concatenate function. So I would advise that if you're a student, that you should work with the concatenate function, especially if you are in the exam or you're trying to complete an assignment that requires you to work with the concatenate function, because your teacher would be marking or grading you based on you using the concatenate function. You can see here in the formula bar, over here, I can see the formula concatenate function while I click on the D2. Alright, but when the one that I use the flash fill, when I click on the C2, there is no formula there. So you would rather, depending on who you are, a student or an office worker, you choose which formula that best suits you. Note here that the concatenate function can combine up to 255 separate text strings into one string. Each can be text, numbers, cell references, or combination of all. Alright, I hope you do like this lesson. If you did, kindly put your comment in the comment sections below and let me know what other videos you want me to make. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.